I am Dr. Hemant Kumar, senior physician working in Lifeline Hospital, Barauni, Bihar. Uh, Today I am here to say a few words about Iqramed Academy, which is an online-based ultrasound training institute. Few months back, I wanted to enhance my ultrasound technique. Then few friends, my radiologist friends, they suggested me about the Iqramed Academy and Dr. Sultan Ahmed. Then I searched and talked to Dr. Sultan Ahmed. He assured me about his training program, and I joined his training program. And through the online training program, I come to know and that it was very helpful, very simple, and illustrious. Uh, in during the whole training program, Dr. Sultan and his team, they interacted to us. They called us many times, and they resolved my queries. It was very nice experience with Iqramed Academy. I would like to recommend all my doctor friends and colleagues and in the fraternity, if they want to improve their ultrasonography techniques, they can be assured that they should join the academy. It is very helpful at very reasonable cost. They have various other. I did the general abdominal ultrasound training, and they have the special for obs and gynae. They have the level 2. They have echocardiography program. There are various module they have. The best thing what I liked about the this training module is that once you join, you can go backward, forward, whichever module you can watch many times. There is no limitation about the till you are so satisfied. Then you can watch many times the videos. They have the live sessions, quiz sessions. So it's a very good program. I recommend you once again that you should join this to improve your knowledge.